Hi, I am going to show you how to create professional money counter in Fusion page with USD format, Indian style or Nepalese style or any supported countries like this. By the end of this video, you will able to switch between different currency formats with just one control. Let me show you how. First you should to create like this in your background note and your media out. I will add text 1, then I will again add one text 1, but I will rename it to 2. Add one more text and rename to 3. 3. Don't change this. Okay, you can see this expression in description. You can check it from there. After that, you should to select all this code and copy this. Then after, don't paste it in a here. Okay, don't paste in here. Okay, you should to paste in a text 1. First select this text 1, then after in inspector you can see this, right click, then here you see expression, click this, then after paste it here. This is showing like error. We have to create 3 edit controls. Okay, open that expression, then after you can see amount and currency, then after you can see here number type. First you should to copy this amount text, then after open DaVinci, right click, you can see here edit controls and paste same thing in here. Okay, don't change name. If you want to change this, then you also want to change from here. Okay, I don't want to change right now. I need like slider and I need like this, and I will press OK. You can see here new tab, click this user and you can see here amount. Again you should go in a code, then after you should to copy this currency, then after open DaVinci Resolve, right click, paste it here. In this time you should to click checkbox control. Okay, then after you should to untick this animatable, then you should to click passive and OK. Again go here and open that code and copy this number type, then after open DaVinci Resolve, paste it here. Again we should to click checkbox control, then same thing like before and OK. Now you can see all thing. Why I'm saying Alok? Because I write here Alok, that's why. If you need like INR, but we can't see here INR because we should do click this. Why we should do click this? Because here is 2 box for USD and INR. If I increase this, then you can see USD. USD have 3 numbers. Okay, if you need in a INR or NPR currency, then you can click this and automatically change to Indian style or any supported country style. If you need like after this you need like .00 or .05 or anything, then you can press here number type. Okay, then you can see here. If I animate like this, you can also create like this. Right click, then modify with shake, then after you can write like 10,000, then not 0, here 5000. Now you can see here automatically checking all the thing. I should to make like a USD, then you can press USD. On take this, then automatically you can see here USD. But don't change this name again. If you change this name, then you can see here automatically change. In here you can change also font. You don't change from here, okay? You don't change from here. You don't change from here. These two text was linked with a text one. That's why. If you change like this, then see here. I will write USD. Then you can see here. No man, I need like USD to dollar. Then you can write, yeah. But INR, we don't have icon in keyboard. Then how we can paste it here? No worry man, that website link is also in description. Then after you can go in this website, okay? This website from Wikipedia. Then you can scroll down. Then you can see here Indian currency icon. You can paste here, and then after you can click this, then you can see. If you need like you are from Nepal and you should to paste Nepali currency icon ru, then you can paste it here. That's it man, thank you for watching and please subscribe for more video.